Flashing headlights is something that many people do every day, and honestly it causes a lot more problems than some people realise. Driving instructors hate it, the highway code advises against it, yet people still do it constantly. And after this video, hopefully you might stop doing it too. Ooh. Because in the clips I'm going to use today, it will show you why flashing your headlights at learners can be one of the worst things you can do. Now, before people get angry in the comments, as per usual when I do a video like this, there are examples where it can be a reasonable idea to flash the headlights, clearing up a situation, country roads perhaps, clear visibility. Look, I haven't got too much of a problem with that. It isn't what usually happens. The problem comes when people flash out of habit and they're trying to be nice without actually thinking about what's happening around them. Watch this one. My learner is waiting to turn right. The driver flashes them. But look at my learner's reaction. He was saying, no, 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 please just go. And honestly, I praised him for staying still because he is responsible for anything that happens next, not the person flashing. It annoys me when you look behind the flashing driver and there's just no reason to be doing it. And I would say that this is the bit that people don't understand. Learners don't see a flash of headlights and think, oh, how kind. They think, why are you stopping? Are you giving way? Is someone behind you? Have I missed something? Am I supposed to go? You're already adding pressure to someone that is overloaded with information. This next clip is even worse. Keep an eye out for the pedestrian. The driver flashing my learner probably never even noticed them. Luckily, my learner did. When people start inventing their own priorities on the road, this is where mistakes happen. Not because everyone is following the rules, but because someone decided to change them. And then you get this, a learner under pressure. They panic, they rush, they stall. By the time they've processed what's happening, recovered the car, the flashing driver could have just carried on as normal. Instead, now everyone's delayed in the name of being nice. And people will say, because they always do on these types of videos, oh, you're being rude. I bet you're a discourteous person. Just accept the kindness. No, priorities exist for a reason. Predictable driving is safe driving. And then there are the people on the roads with the actual situational awareness of a pheasant. Watch this clip. So the learner starts to move and I immediately stop them.
He flashed me.
Yeah, don't go.
Don't go?
No.
Fucking James?
Yeah, look at the
James.
fucking bus. Happy with that?
Yeah.
Is he stopping?
Yeah.
Okay, is the other one stopping?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh. Thank you, James.
You can hear how stressed she was. Now, yes, an experienced driver might complete that turn, but this isn't an experienced driver. It's a learner. And the people flashing, I can guarantee, hadn't even noticed the bus, never mind thought about the pressure they were putting on someone that is still learning. And that's the problem. These people think they're helping when actually they're creating uncertainty. And it's not just learners that feel pressure when you flash lights. Many people in comments on my videos say they hate it. So look, here's the takeaway. If you flash a learner driver with your headlights, expect confusion, expect mistakes, and expect hesitation. Because learners are taught not to assume what a flash of headlights means. I never teach my learners to respond to a flash of headlights. And of course, the highway code backs that up. Rule 110, of course, do not flash your lights for any other reason to let people know you're there. It's not to tell people to go. It's not to redirect traffic and to change priorities on the road. And yes, you absolutely can respond to a flash of headlights, of course, but only if you have checked that it's safe, which of course is backed up in the highway code rule 111. Never assume. Now, personally, I never flash my headlights. Driving lessons are the real world, despite what many people will say. We teach the highway code for a reason. Predictable roads are safer roads.